Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a GitHub account, a repository you can push to, and an open Colab notebook. Once ready, choose File, then save a copy in GitHub to trigger the connection flow. You will be prompted to authorize Colab's OAuth access. Accept scopes that allow repo rights if you want saving. Make sure you select the correct repo and branch in the dialog. This immediate action starts the persistent link between Colab and GitHub. After OAuth, Colab displays a save dialog where you pick the repo, branch, and file path. Do this carefully to avoid overwriting. Next, enter a concise commit message. This is important for history and collaboration. Then press OK to commit the notebook file. If GitHub requires you to approve the Google OAuth app, follow the prompt inside GitHub settings to grant permission. Once approved, Colab can push commits automatically, and you'll see your notebook appear in the chosen branch. To finish, save or push your final changes from Colab using File right arrow, save a copy in GitHub so the notebook lands in the repo. Then verify on GitHub that the commit, file path, and content match expectations. View the commit history to confirm. If something goes wrong, first reauthorize Google's access in GitHub or reconnect Colab. Make sure your account has push permissions for the branch. A key troubleshooting tip: if push fails, check branch protection rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.